Hey everybody, welcome back to Projects with Paul. Down here at the project house, going to do a little work, put in some baseboards, take out some more walls. I'll have to show you what I'm talking about on that one. But I just wanted to show you something real quick. If you ever wonder why pickup trucks have a little small sliding rear window in the back of them, just so you can haul 16-foot long pieces of baseboard. That thing's just barely hanging off the back of the truck. Slid it in there, closed the window down on top of it, held it nice and tight. So there you go. So anyway, let's go in the house and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Taking down another wall. Alright, so in the bedroom, we've decided to take out this closet. Step back here a little bit. So we're going to take the closet out and go ahead and patch that up and get it painted along with the rest of the house. And then when we get the floors put in, they won't have to go around these walls. The reason we're taking the closet out, eventually we're going to cut a hole in the wall there and do an addition on that end of the house. That's the outside wall. And we're going to make it a master bathroom and a master closet to go along with our bedroom. So we're going to try to do that pretty soon after we move down here. So in the meantime, we'll just use the closets and the other 2 spare bedrooms for our clothes. But I want to go ahead and get this out of here so we can, when we do get the floor done, if we left the closet in, they would have to put the flooring around that, and then when we did the addition and took that out, then we'd have issues on the floor having to patch that in or redo the whole floor in the bedroom. So we can do without this little closet for now. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking this down today. I'll set up a tripod, maybe time lapse it or something. Then in the meantime, we had a guy come out and do an air duct cleaning and cleaned out all the air ducts, and he said they were pretty dirty, so that was nice to get that done. You can see the old vents there, how nasty they are. So we're going to put all new vents in. So we got a nice new clean air system. And today I'm going to work on this piece of baseboard here. I'm going to take this piece out, and I bought that 16-footer out in the truck there. This wall's right at 15 foot, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that in one piece. So let's get started. Okay, let's take down some walls. Okay, everybody, we got all the walls down for the closet, so here's what we got. Has insulation packed in there. Need to put some sheetrock over that soon. And we'll get all this sheetrock in. I gotta cut those nails off. That sheetrocked in just like we did in the living room. New baseboard there. Put a new baseboard all the way across here. And then clean all this up. Nice, but makes the room a lot bigger. All right, there you have it. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.